Koalas. There is a type of animal that lives only in Australia. It is the koala, which has a round and chubby body. Koalas are very good at climbing trees. They have no tails, so they can sit on tree branches comfortably. Ranging from silver to brown, the fur colors of koalas differ depending on where they live. Koalas have dense fur that is as soft as wool. So they look like bears when seen from far away. Koalas have 5 toes on each foot. The first and second toes of both of their front feet face the other toes. Their toes, which are shaped like hooks, are very sharp. They are useful for climbing or moving around the trees. Koalas don't build any special homes for themselves. They only eat leaves or sprouts on eucalyptuses. In addition, they sleep while hanging on to tree branches when they are sleepy. They have thick calluses or thick skins on their bottoms. They are able to sit on trees all day long without feeling pain. Koalas are slowpokes.
What a delicious smell.
They crawl slowly even when they are going after the delicious eucalyptus leaves. They are even slower when they carry the babies on their backs. I think I will jump over to that tree over there. Koalas are very quick when they move from tree to tree. They zip from this tree branch to that tree branch. They do not sleep, no matter how slippery the branches are. Koalas are sleepyheads. They spend nearly 20 hours a day either sleeping or dozing on the trees. Koalas wake up from their naps only after the sun sets. They doze on eucalyptuses during the day, but they are wide awake during the night. They also move easily from tree to tree, no matter how dark it is.
The leaves of other trees don't taste good.
Koalas only live on eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus leaves are tough and a little poisonous. However, koalas are able to chew and eat them with their strong teeth.
I will have to climb down for a moment.
A koala climbs down from a tree and eats sand. This is because the sand helps digest the tough eucalyptus leaves. Koalas are marsupials, like kangaroos. Marsupials are animals that have pouches in which babies are raised. A koala's pouch is attached to its belly like a muscle. Koalas give birth to one baby at a time. Baby koalas that are born not yet fully developed. So they grow up suckling milk in their mother's pouches for a few months. When baby koalas stop breastfeeding, they start to come out of their mother's pouches. Their mothers then start to carry them around on their backs. The baby koalas are still too young to digest eucalyptus leaves, so they sometimes eat their mother's feces instead.
I want to live on my own from now on, Mom.
Koalas begin to live on their own when they turn 1 year old. They don't like to move much. They don't go near other koalas when they see them. Many people poach countless koalas for their furs and hides. That is why countries like Australia, the United States, and Japan are protecting many of them at their zoos.